Gather round, engineering enthusiasts. Spotlights on an exhilarating career prospect at Larsen & Toubro Limited. A global powerhouse in technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services, L&T operates in over 30 countries, serving critical sectors like hydrocarbon, infrastructure, power and defense. Currently, they're on the hunt for an AutoCAD engineer in Vadodara and Chennai. The role demands expertise with CAD tools such as SolidWorks, CATIA or Creo, a Diploma B Tech in mechanical engineering, and 1 to 3 years of experience. A solid grasp of mechanical design basics, GD&T, and hand calculations are prerequisites. Communication skills, teamwork, and an eagerness to learn are crucial. As an AutoCAD engineer at L&T, you'll immerse in mechanical design, shop floor operations, and collaboration with multidisciplinary teams. Ready for challenging assignments and career growth, L&T provides unparalleled opportunities. Explore this opportunity and apply on their website. And remember, subscribe to our channel for more career insights and updates.